this video, I'll show you how to fix 503 service unavailable error or website not loading fix. So there are two sides to this problem. First of all, it could be on your side, your device, hardware or software side. So in order to solve that, what you can do is go to your browser. For instance, I'm using Chrome, so I'll tap on Chrome for some time and go to the tap on the I. It will lead you to settings. So now scroll down and tap on storage. Now make sure to tap on clear case and clear data, and after that tap on confirm. Now try reopening the app and try reopening the website. Hopefully this solves the problem. Or what you can do is go to Play Store and see if you have the latest version of the app installed or not. Now go to the search bar and search for Chrome and tap on Chrome and see if any update is available. There will be an update icon instead of open. Make sure to tap on that to install the latest version that can help solve such bugs or any problems, or any glitches. So try reopening the website from here. If it still doesn't work, then what you can do is you can always switch to another browser. So for example, you can try using Opera, or also the Brave browser is also good. So that's completely up to you. Try reopening the sites from different browser. If that also doesn't work, what you can do is maybe the website is down on your region. So what you can do is you can try installing a VPN app, any VPN app. Go to the Play Store and search for VPN. There are numerous amount of VPN options. So just install and try different regions such as Denmark or United States or Germany, and try reopening the website to see if the problem is fixed. If nothing solves the problem, then it could be not your fault. It could be the server side fault, or the company may be updating their software, so they may have shut the website for some time. Normally these last for some few hours to maximum a day or two, and try reopening the website after waiting for some period, or go to their official website to see if they are solving any problem. They will give an update, and you can always report them if you are having a serious problem. So that's it, guys. Hope you find this video useful. If you did, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next